Pre-intermediate 20. The science of happiness. What makes us truly happy? This is a question that philosophers and scientists have been trying to answer for centuries. While many people think that happiness comes from wealth, fame, or material possessions, research in psychology suggests that these factors have a very small impact on our long-term well-being. Once our basic needs are met, more money does not necessarily lead to more happiness. Instead, the science of happiness shows that our relationships and our mindset are much more important. Positive social connections with family and friends are one of the strongest predictors of a happy life. Another key factor is gratitude. Studies have shown that people who regularly practice gratitude by focusing on the things they are thankful for feel more optimistic and satisfied with their lives. Additionally, being kind to others and helping those in need can boost our own happiness levels. Finding a sense of purpose in our work or hobbies also contributes significantly to our well-being. This is often called flow, a state where we are so focused on an activity that you lose track of time. Finally, physical health, including regular exercise and good sleep, plays a crucial role in how we feel mentally. Happiness is not a destination that you can reach one day. It's a habit that you can cultivate every day through small, positive actions and a healthy perspective.